Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Welcome back once again in my class. In the previous video, we discussed about the curious baby elephant that was based on the curiosity of a small baby elephant. He was very curious and want to know that happened around us. So, the main theme of this story is that curiosity can open up new ability, ideas and knowledge. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the answer these question with reference to the context of this lesson. But before going through that, we are going to discuss about the previous homework. I have given you the homework. I hope you all have solved the questions. Your first question: go to the green greasy Limpopo river. She said you will find your answer there. Question A: who said this to whom? Question B: what answer would the listener find? Question C: did he find his answer? Now we are going to solve the answer of these questions. Now your answer A is, I am repeating once again question A: who said this to whom? Who said this to whom to go to the green greasy Limpopo river? Your answer is, my dear students, your answer is the Kolo Kolo bird said this to the baby elephant. Who said? Kolo Kolo bird said this to the baby elephant. You just go to the green greasy Limpopo river. You will find your answer there. Now come to the next question. B: what answer would the listener find? What answer would the listener find? Now here is your answer. You can see the listener would find the answer. What was the answer? Go to green greasy Limpopo river. Then there you will get your answer. Now C question. Question C: did he find his answer? Did he find his answer? I hope you all have tried to find the answer at your home. Okay, now fine. Your answer is no. He did not find his answer. He did not find his answer. Now next question. Question B: he waited and waited, but nothing happened. But nothing happened. So here question A is, who waited and waited? Who waited and waited? Then your answer is the baby elephant waited and waited. For whom? For the new creature, for crocodile. He waited and waited. The baby elephant waited and waited for the crocodile. Your question B: what was he waiting for? For what? He waiting for. What was he waiting for? He, here the baby elephant. He was waiting for it. Here it, you can see, here it is for trunk. He was waiting for it to shrink. He was waiting for it to shrink. Your question C: for how many days did he wait? Did he means the baby elephant wait? For how many days? He waited till the end of the third day. He waited, he means the baby elephant waited till the end of the third day. Now your next question 3. I think today I will begin with you. Who said this? I think today I will begin with you. Question A. Who said this to whom? Who said that I think today I will begin with you? Who said this to whom? The crocodile said this. This here means I think today I will begin with you. The crocodile said this to the baby elephant. Question B. What was this a response to? The response, what response? That I think today I will begin with you. What was this a response to? The response was, this was a response to the baby elephant that he was in big trouble. He was in big trouble. Now, the next question. What happened afterwards? What happened afterwards? Your answer is, afterward, he means baby elephant sat back on his haunches of crocodile. Now here is the answers of answer these questions with reference to the context. Now we are going to discuss answer these questions of this lesson. Here your question 1 is, what did the baby elephant want to know from the giraffe? What did the baby elephant want to know from the giraffe? Here, my dear student, your answer is, the baby elephant wanted to know from the giraffe what made his skin spotty. I am repeating your answer once again. The baby elephant wanted to know from the giraffe what made his skin spotty. I think you all have revised this chapter at your home. If you have done so, then you will get your answer very easily. Now, your question 2. Whom did he ask about the taste of melons? Whom did he ask? Whom did he ask about the taste of melons? Here your answer he asked the baboon about the taste of melons. Whom did he ask about the taste of melons? He asked the baboon, B-A-B-O-O-N, baboon, about the taste of melons. Okay, my dear students, I hope you all are getting your answer. Now, the next question. Your question 3. For which question did the baby elephant not get an answer? For which question did the baby elephant not get an answer? You can see your answer is, what does a crocodile have for dinner? What was the question? What does a crocodile have for dinner? For this question, baby elephant, for this question, what was the question? Question, what does a crocodile have for dinner? For this question, baby elephant not got an answer. Okay, my dear students. Now, next question, question number 4. Where would he get his answer according to the bird? Where did he get? Where would the baby elephant get his answer according to the bird? Your answer is, according to the bird, he would get his answer from the grey, green, greasy Limpopo river. From where? from the grey, green, greasy Limpopo river? I am repeating once again these 4 answers, my dear students, for you. You can understand easily. So I am repeating it once again. Please listen carefully. Your first question, you can see, what did the baby elephant want to know from the giraffe? What did the baby elephant want to know from the giraffe? The baby elephant wanted to know from the giraffe what made his skin spotty. What made his skin spotty? Whose skin? Giraffe skin spotty. Who asked? The baby elephant wanted to know from the giraffe. Now next one. Whom did he ask about the taste of melons? Whom did he ask about the taste of melons? He asked the baboon about the taste of melons. He asked the baboons. Now third, for which question? For which question? Your question? See the question. Your question is here. What does a crocodile have for dinner? For this question, baby elephant not got an answer. Okay. Now, fourth one. Where would he get his answer according to the bird? Which bird? Okay. According to the bird, he would get his answer from the grey, green, greasy Limpopo river. According to the bird. What is the name of the bird? Kolo Kolo bird. Okay. According to the bird, he would get his answer from the grey, green, greasy Limpopo river. Now, it's time for your homework. Okay. You have to revise your lesson 6 once again and try to solve your answer this question by your own, by reading your lesson. Now your question 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th are your homework. Your first question, how long did his journey to the Limpopo river take him? How long? His journey. Whose journey? The baby elephant journey to the Limpopo river take him. How long? If you will revise your lesson once again, you will definitely get your answer. Now, question 6. What did he carry with him to eat on the way? What did he carry with him? Banana. Okay, you try to solve this at your home by your own. Now, 7th one. What did the crocodile do to the baby elephant? What did the crocodile do to the baby elephant? Just try it to solve. Now, question 8. What had happened to his nose by the time the crocodile let go? What had happened to his nose? His nose was caught by the crocodile. Okay, just try to solve your homework at your home. Okay, here I am repeating once again question 8, my dear student, for you all, that what had happened to his nose. It's very interesting if you have revised your lesson carefully. His nose kept stretching and stretching, stretching and stretching. Okay, try to solve these questions at your home. These questions are as your homework. In the next video, we will continue answer this question of the rest of the questions. Till that, God bless you. Thank you so much.